Thinking of doing real research? Maybe you dream of making discoveries that change the world, or you want to be at the cutting edge of science. Want to be a scientist, work in pharma research and development, or do a doctor of philosophy? Whether you see yourself in a high-tech industry lab or pursuing a PhD, the journey starts now. Here's the truth. You cannot wait to learn skills later. The habits and techniques you build in college will shape your entire research career. Your training starts now, in college. Every class, every lab session is a chance to build your foundation. Here are the essential lab skills every serious researcher should focus on early. These are the skills that separate good scientists from great ones. Precision pipetting is the backbone of molecular biology, biochemistry, microbiology. Master correct angles, avoid bubbles, consistent technique. A few microliters off, it can ruin your entire experiment. Your polymerase chain reaction fails. Even a tiny error in pipetting can mean no bands on your gel. Your enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay is garbage. Do not underestimate it. Precision is everything in these assays. Your lab notebook is a scientific document. Date and sign entries. Treat it like a legal record, because it is. Detail reagents, lot numbers, observations. Include failures. Record every step, even the mistakes, so you can learn from them. Good documentation means your work can be reproduced. That is real science. If someone else can't repeat your results, your work loses value. Stop relying on Google for every molarity or dilution. Learn to do the calculations yourself. It's a core skill. Know C1V1 equals C2V2. Understand pH adjustments. Weigh with accuracy. These calculations are the language of the lab. These are basic, but they define your professional credibility. Contamination control is critical. Flame loops properly. Always use aseptic technique. Do not wave your hands over open plates. Disinfect benches. Keep your workspace clean and organized at all times. Contaminated cultures waste weeks of work and your principal investigator's money. One careless move can set your whole project back. Balances, centrifuges, spectrophotometers. Learn exact standard operating procedures. Check calibration. Log usage. Report issues immediately. Equipment errors can ruin months of effort. Respect for equipment equals respect for the lab. Do not blindly copy. Take time to understand how each instrument works. Understand rationale behind each step. Highlight critical parameters. Note modifications. Ask why each step matters. A good scientist questions, adapts, and improves protocols. Don't just follow instructions. Think about how to make them better. Experiments fail. That is science. Do not panic. Analyze systematically. Failure is a chance to learn and grow. Change one variable at a time. Careful troubleshooting is the key to progress. The best researchers are problem solvers, not robots. Science is collaborative. Label everything clearly. Clean up your workspace. Share resources responsibly. Respect lab mates. Your attitude shapes the lab environment. Your reputation starts with your discipline and integrity. People remember how you work and how you treat others. It is not just about skills. Ask good questions. Read papers critically. Stay curious and keep learning. Think about controls and experimental design. Good experiments start with good planning. Lab work is not mechanical. It is intellectual work. Your brain is your most important tool. Look, shiny equipment and big experiments come later. First, master the basics and build your confidence. But if you build these core lab habits now, you will stand out in any lab, anywhere in the world. You'll be the person others trust with important work. This is the foundation of real research. Save this reel. Refer back to it as you grow. Share it with your lab mates. Help each other get better. Science is a team effort. Follow for real, unfiltered guidance from someone who has been there and wants you to thrive as a scientist. Your journey is just beginning. Credits, script, and narration by AVM.